Quinnipiac is a private co-ed university in Hamden, Connecticut. Salus O'Brien has been working with them since the early 2000s. Since then, we've worked on almost every building on campus, athletics through academic spaces.
The existing buildings, a lot of them had their own chillers and boiler systems. That leads to a lot of inefficiencies. One of the goals of the project was to provide a central plant.
Our role on this site was to build a central utility plant that will serve the 3 buildings currently being developed, the Res Hall, the academic building, now called the site, and the School of Business.
Rather than having dedicated equipment for each building, we were able to serve all of the buildings using high-efficiency equipment. That equipment is also in place to serve additional buildings for future expansion.
The central plant has helped to, as it says in its name, centralize the system. So therefore, when maintenance needs to go and do work on any particular heating or cooling elements, it's all in one central location.
By providing a centralized plant, we are able to reduce the amount of energy used on campus, as well as providing that LEED certification above and beyond what our original goal was.
I love the fact that we transformed their campus. We've built this space that has a new South Quad, and it really is becoming the heart of their campus.
Being able to walk through the building and see the students and faculty enjoying the building, having a level of comfort that we were able to provide for them exactly what they needed to use.
It's really great to see students gathering in the atrium type space, all the study rooms, and that really shows how much this project is facilitating learning for the next generation of students and next generation of the workforce.